Good morning, guys. How are you doing? I just got here. They call fix and flat. That's for this tire in the car. Okay, yesterday my wife drive and come back home. She has a flat tire, and I check it. Something here. It's like cut this side, and some it look like it has some nail or something here. But I'm just gonna leave the nail there, and then we put this product and let's see what happened. Okay, by the way, we ordered already the new tire, so just wait until they come. Thank you. There you go, guys. They say first time we have to move the tire. They say move it to the puncture side. I have puncture side is in this side, so I just move it at 6 o'clock here, and then like the instruction said, and then you shake it for 30 seconds, and then put the hose there, and we start press the yellow thing, and then we fill it until full, and then the tire rim should be increased. So if not increased, so we have to put some air there, and then we drive for 3 or 4 miles. Okay, let's see. Let's do it. Okay, let's see. 1, 2. Okay, then let's open it. Okay, and then this one will go here. This out and we start to fold it. Do it until the white stuff out. We're shaking the same time. We're shaking it. Oh. Okay. Okay, white stuff is out now. White stuff is out. There you go, guys. The fixed and flat coming out from the thing right there. Okay, there's a nail there. I have to take it out. Let's see. That's all the products coming out. Fixed and flat like this doesn't work. I'll buy this one. New one, because this one, the fixed and flat, you said doesn't work, so I buy this one again, like a repair kit. Okay, and I try to redo it. Take the tire off and start redo it. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Okay. Second one. Okay. You got it. There you go, guys. So this one is the area we're gonna work with. Okay, and I saw there's a kind of like some metal here. Let's see what is this, so I can take it out. Okay. Yo, guys, I try to take it up the metal with this kind of tools. Okay. Right. There you go. Wow. Look at, guys. This one is the blade. Yeah, it's the blade, and people throwing just the blade on the street. Okay. Let's see. Let's open this part. What they have it here. So the kit come from the. You have this one. You have this kind. Rubber, tire hook, and this one. Okay, we're gonna use this one first to make the hole. Okay. Let's see. Wow. take one of this one. Try to put this one is in the middle. Go like this. Put it in the center. Just go like this. Go like this. Okay, I try to put this one in the center. It's probably like this. Okay, this come with a lubricant thing. Put it on the side here. So that the tire here, and that's there's no bubble. Wow. Cut on the top of this one, okay? Check the pressure tire with this. And now for the driver's side, you can see here, close to the door, you see like what they recommended for your tire, okay? See right here, they say front is 32 and back is 38. Very good, guys. So earlier we got like 34 psi, so we're gonna put a little bit air here to go to 38, okay? Yep, it's 38, guys, okay? Okay. There you go, guys. After I put the tire back in the car, that's the final product like this. Okay. Yeah, let's see. No bubble, no leaking. Check it. Now the first drive. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Turn on the car. La. Okay, let's go. It's my white Honda. Let's go. Okay, let's see. There you go. Wow. Okay, they said the sign for the tire is gone too. That was flat. They have a sign. Yep. Very nice. Alright, tire with no problem. There you go, guys. Just got home. Yep. Tire look nice. So let me give conclusion a little bit today. Yeah. There you go, guys, for the conclusion today. Okay, the flat tire. First thing, I try with this one, fix and flat. Let's see if you can see this one. Yeah. For fix and flat, I tried to fix it with this foam, but the concretion is not working because it's still leaking. And then the second one, and I buy the new one, this one, a plug kit tire. Let me see if you can get it. Yeah, this is it's around like $14. We got this kit. Thank you. Have a good holiday. Bye.